Okay, second attempt at doing K9's head. It's laying down the first layer. And so it looked good the first time around, but then I had these horrendous layer shifts as it was printing off. Just remind everyone, so this was the first attempt. So I'm trying to get my E steps in as well at this point. So you can see, if I flip around here, I dialed the E steps up to 110%. On the bottom you can see how rough looking that was. But there was a, put this down here, you can see a layer shift came in at this point. I changed it to 100% here, quality improved, and then I changed it to 95%, much better there, but that's when I gave up, because then I had a huge layer shift at that point. I was like, oh, I've had enough now, let me go and tackle that. So cancelling the print, what I then did was I measured the distance from here to here on both sides, and this was off by a considerable amount. So I lined them up again so it was equal amount. You can undo the hex screws in this, that will allow you to move it easily and then tighten them back up. And I also discovered that I didn't have the screws that keep these tight in place. They were slack on both rear motors, so that could have been allowing these to skid around a bit. That could have been what was causing the layer shift. As you all know, investigating these things takes a lot of trial and error. So I'm gonna put poor K9's first attempt to one side there and crack on with the second one and see if I get the same result or if everything looks good with this one. So I'm going to leave this running for an hour. Let's see it's extruding quite nicely onto the glass plate there. And down these stairs, I'll tell you, these things are going to kill me going up and down these stairs. I've nearly fallen off them a dozen times. But you know, the beauty of these glass beds is that bottom side that prints on the glass, that is so smooth. So if you've got a panel that needs to be facing out and you need a smooth panel, print it face down on the bed and you will have a beautiful finish. Right, and we'll leave this chug away. Get back to it later. Bye.